What's going on, everybody? RC back with you here. Put some new motors on the reverb, and been going back and forth between my long-range rigs and flying this Impulse RC reverb that has the Helio on it, RC8. This is the one that's been on the channel for a while, and I've been flying RC8 now for a few weeks since it's been out, and I pretty much have everything exactly how I want it tuned, rates, all that kind of stuff. It just flies amazing. Now, I'm a big 5.5 inch 5S fan, but when you're flying around in like parks like this and wanting to do freestyle and everything, it just doesn't seem like it's the right build for this type environment, or maybe I'm just not that advanced of a pilot. But the Helio makes me feel like I am that advanced of a pilot. The amount of control and precision and just confidence that it builds. I've been going back and watching some of my videos over the past couple months, and yes, there won't be any like crazy tight gaps or nothing like that here in this flight, but just the amount of different maneuvers and stuff, like, putting those spins in there like that, and just little things like that have really brought out the rest of, have really brought out some skills in my flying that just makes me super happy. I tried doing some of these moves on my 5.5 inch builds, but they're just kind of tuned for long range, so it's kind of hard to pull them off. And I do have a backup reverb that does not have a Helio on it. It's just running normal Betaflight on like an F4 board. And honestly, I just can't fly it as good as this one. I just don't have the confidence, and it just doesn't have the feel. I've tried putting in the different rates and everything like that, but just that IMUF magic running in the background and everything is just super amazing. I actually let one of my buddies fly this, and he said he couldn't believe it. He actually couldn't even like fly it. He had to land and give me the remote because he said it just felt like too good to him, that like it was kind of creepy. So that's saying something when someone just picks something up and says it feels too good to fly. So anyway, just wanted to kind of put that out there and let you guys take a look at the flight. So talk to you later.